S-bond Bitcoin ETFs saw $697 million in net inflows on Monday, which marks a 3-month high in daily total inflows. Analysts said inflows signal cautious optimism among crypto traders. With the medium-term outlook still contingent on macroeconomic conditions and regulatory stability, spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds in the U.S. saw their largest daily net inflows since early October on Monday, as broader crypto market sentiment improved at the start of the new year. According to data from the value spot Bitcoin ETFs reported a combined $697.25 million in net inflows on Monday, following $471.14 million in inflows last Friday. The two-day cumulative total for 2026 has surpassed $1.16 billion. 9 of the 12 Bitcoin ETFs posted positive flows yesterday, led by $372.47 million worth of funds entering BlackRock's ABIT, Fidelity's FBTC, followed with $191.2 million in funds from Grayscale, Bitwise Arc, and 21 shares. Vonik Invesco, Franklin Templeton, and Valkyrie also recorded inflows for the day. Sizable inflows into ETFs signal renewed risk appetite and confidence in regulated crypto exposure as the new year begins, said Nick Ruck, director at LVRG Research. The demand across major assets points to improving market sentiment, with potential for sustained price gains throughout 2026. If institutional participation and favorable regulatory developments continue, spot Ethereum ETFs also recorded net inflows of $168.13 million on Monday, alongside inflows into altcoin ETFs tracking XRP, Solana, Dogecoin, and Chainlink. Crypto price outlook. The net inflows into the ETFs aligned with a broader recovery in the cryptocurrency market at the start of the new year. BTC plus 0.82% rose, 1.53% in the past 24 hours, and 7.4% over the past week to trade at $93,683. Ether added 2.8% to trade at $3,226. Notably, XRP price increased by 12.56% in the past 24 hours and 29% in the past week, trading at $2.38. Spot ETF flows are a bellwether of sentiment. They suggest cautious optimism from major asset allocators, positioning for risk assets amid what is still a nervy macro environment, said Rachel Lucas, crypto analyst at BTC Markets. Inflows require the ETFs to buy underlying BTC and ETH, thereby underpinning market support and potentially leading to positive price action over the medium term. Lucas added that the current market remains divided. Retail traders are staying cautious and tactical, while institutions continue to make long-term commitments to Bitcoin, Ether, and other altcoins as part of their expanding portfolios. That underpins a constructive medium-term outlook, contingent on continued macro and regulatory stability, Lucas noted.